Wireless technology is the transfer of information between two or more points that are not connected by an electrical conductor. Types of wireless communication. The different types of wireless communication mainly include Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless technology for exchanging data over short distances using short wavelength, ultra high frequency radio waves from fixed and mobile devices and building personal area networks. How does Bluetooth works? Bluetooth networking transmits data via lower power radio waves. It communicates on a frequency of 2.45 GHz. Bluetooth can connect up to 8 devices simultaneously. Bluetooth uses a technique called spread spectrum frequency hopping. Bluetooth classification. Classification of device on the basis of power and corresponding maximum range. Officially, Class 3 radios have a range of up to 1 meter. Class 2, most commonly found in mobile devices, 10 meters, and Class 1 primarily for industrial use cases, 100 meters. Advantages of Bluetooth. It has lower power consumption. It is easily upgradable. The Bluetooth is used for voice and data transfer. Bluetooth devices are available at very cheap cost. Free to use if the device is installed with Bluetooth. The technology is adopted in many products such as headset, in-car system, printer, webcam, keyboard and mouse. Infrared radio link. Infrared radio link. IR wireless is the use of wireless technology in devices or systems that convey data through infrared radiation. IR wireless is used for short and medium range communications and control. Satellite. A communication satellite is a microwave repeater station in a space that is used for telecommunication, radio and television signals. A communication satellite processes the data coming from one Earth station and it converts the data into another form and sends it to the second Earth station. Two stations on Earth want to communicate through radio broadcast but are too far away to use conventional means. The two stations can use a relay station for their communication. One Earth station transmits the signal to the satellite. Uplink frequency is the frequency at which ground station is communicating with satellite. The satellite transponder converts the signal and sends it down to the second Earth station, and this is called downlink frequency. The second Earth station also communicates with the first one in the same way. Wi-Fi is the name of a popular wireless networking technology that uses radio waves to provide wireless high-speed internet and network connections. A common misconception is that the term Wi-Fi is short for wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi enabled computers send and receive data indoors and outdoors anywhere within the range of the base station. Wi-Fi is a generic term that refers to the IEEE 802.11 communications standard for wireless local area networks.